Honda City 1.8cc year 2009 2014 car. The problem of this car is that the air condition of the car is not cooling. The air condition is full of gas but the AC compressor and cooling fan are not working. How to solve the problem? So watch the full video step by step. Now I will start the engine of the car and show you if there is any problem with the air condition of the car. Turn on the air condition of the car. Look at the outside of the car. Car air condition is full of gas but see when air condition is turned on, cooling fan does not work and AC compressor also does not work. First of all, remember that there are many reasons why your car's air conditioner is not cooling. If your car's AC gas is leaking, the gas is low, or if the car's AC compressor, cooling fan, fuse, relay, pressure switch sensor wiring problem, AC climate control panel switch if any one is damaged or does not work, if any of the car does not come on and cool. To solve this type of problem, remember to first check the fuse of your car's air condition system. Check the fuse box panel fuses on the lower right side of the front driver's side steering. I have shown the fuse box diagram for your understanding. The fuses number 24 and 37 are air conditioner fuses. You can check if the fuses are good. If they are good, no need to change them. If any of the fuses are broken, replace them. Open engine bonnet, hood, engine compartment, left side fuse box, radiator fan and sub fan. Check fuses, replace if broken. If the vehicle fuse is not a problem, check the AC control system relay. On the right side of the engine compartment is the AC control relay box. How to check if your car's AC control relay is broken? Check it easily. Now just remove the old relay located in the relay box and install a new relay. Now open the old relay and now I will install the new relay. You can also change the relay and check. In this way you repair your car by changing the relay. After installing the new relay, now I will turn on the AC of the car. After turning on the air condition, now I will go outside and see if the car's AC compressor and cooling fan are running. See now, but AC compressor and cooling fan are running, but AC compressor and cooling fan are not running cause AC control relay is problem. So if your car has this same problem, you can fix it yourself by changing the relay and fuse. Thank you very much for watching the video. Sorry if there are any mistakes in the video, and yours comment if any problem to understand or any such problem in your car.